अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम तैयारी करेंगे कंप्लीट फ़िज़िक्स पोर्शन जो कि मोस्टली यूनिवर्सिटी के एंट्री टेस्ट में आता है और ये वो एमसीक्यूज़ हैं जो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम रिपीट हुए हैं। पहले एमसीक्यू हम देखते हैं। ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सब एटॉमिक पार्टिकल्स द पार्टिकल विच हैज़ द सेम चार्ज एज अ प्रोटॉन इज़ प्रोटॉन। A ball is projected vertically upward from the surface of the earth and reaches its maximum height in 4.0 seconds. The ball's initial speed in meter per second approximately 40. The conductivity in metallic wires depends on free electrons only. Conductivity जो metallic wires की depend होती है वो सिर्फ free electrons पे होती है. Momentum is a quantity whose unit might be the gram centimeter per second. आगे हमारे पास आते हैं न्यूमेरिकल बेस्ड एमसीक्यूज़। सिंपल आपने फार्मूलाज इम्प्लीमेंट करने हैं। डाटा आपके पास गिवन होगा, आपने डाटा को पुट करना है और आपके पास आंसर्स आ जाएंगे। इफ़ अ स्टोन एट द एंड ऑफ अ स्ट्रिंग इज रोल्ड इन अ सर्कल द इनवर्ट पुल ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग ऑन द स्टोन इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू द स्केयर ऑफ द स्पीड। अ चेंज इन टेम्परेचर ऑफ 45 सेल्सियस correspond to a change in Fahrenheit degrees of। सिंपल हमने सेल्सियस से जो फ़ारेनहाइट डिग्रीज में कन्वर्ट करने का फॉर्मूला होता है वो इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे। हमारे पास आंसर आ जाएगा 81 फ़ारेनहाइट डिग्रीज। द बेंडिंग ऑफ अ बायोमेटालिक स्ट्रिप व्हेन हीटेड इज primarily ड्यू टू द अनइक्वल एक्सपेंशन ऑफ टू मेटल्स। If a gas is heated at constant pressure, which of the following descriptions will apply? 1. Its volume increases is proportional to the temperature. Volume increase करेगा proportionally to the temperature. Second, the kinetic energy of the molecules decreases. Third, the kinetic energy of the molecule increases. First and 3 option होगा हमारे पास। A 20 ohm and a 60 ohm resistor are connected in series of a DC generator. The volume across the 20 ohm resistor is 80 volts. The current through the 60 ohm resistor is 4.0 A. An object is placed 10 centimeters from a concave spherical mirror whose radius of curvature is 12 centimeter. The distance of the image from the mirror is 15 centimeter. Two frequencies sounded together produce 3 beats per second. If one of the frequencies is 400 vibrations per second, the other frequency will be 403 vibrations per second. X-rays consist of radiation similar to gamma rays. During the time that sound travels 1100 feet in air, light can travel in a vacuum a distance of about 2 lakh miles. A spacecraft is approaching the Earth relative to the radio signals it sends out. The signal received on the Earth have a shorter wavelength. हमेशा जो वेवलेंथ होगी वो शॉर्टर हो जाएगी हमारे पास। ये वो एमसीक्यूज़ हैं जो बार बार रिपीटेड एमसीक्यूज़ हैं, बार बार रिपीट होते हैं मुख्तलिफ यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के एंट्री टेस्ट में। ये हम उनकी कंप्लीट तैयारी कर रहे हैं। आपने इन एमसीक्यूज़ को अच्छे से तैयार करके जाना है। मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम यही एमसीक्यूज़ बार बार रिपीट होते हैं। All of the following pure elements are good electrical conductors except iron. Which of the following examples of electromagnetic radiation has the most energy per quantum? X-rays. Three capacitors each of value 0.1 F are connected in series. Then their total capacitance is closest to 0.0333 F. Atomic spectra can be explained by all of the above. Bohr atomic model, quantum mechanics, quantized orbits of electrons. When U-23592 decays by alpha particle emission, the daughter nuclei formed is TH23190. We can increase the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor by bringing the plates closer together. Terminal velocity is usually defined as the velocity at which a resistance balances gravity. Our sun releases energy by nuclear fission reactions. What actually happens? Hydrogen is converted to helium. Hydrogen convert होती है helium में. Spanification results in the formation of soap. A measuring cylinder is used to measure volume. The number of base units in SI are 7. A car is made on the principles of mechanics. Standards of physical quantities were established in 1960. While rounding the numbers, if last digit is 5, then it is rounded to get nearest even number. The study of internal structure of Earth is called geophysics. The base quantity is mass. The number 275.00 consists of how many significant figures? 5. A thermal of circular scale consists of equal divisions. 100. Speedometer measures the speed. The quantity that are completely described by only magnitude are scalar. Quantity between which a graph is plotted are called variables. Pressure is a scalar quantity. The quantities that is described completely by magnitude and direction are vector. The motion of a body in a straight line is linear motion. Thank you.